You're a mean one.
Your
Mr. Grinch. You're a slimy, creepy fool. Is it your mom?
Hello, it's not.
It's mom?
No. Hey, can your mom come get us? No?
Spend the night.
Mom, I could just spend the night here and pick me up early in the morning, please. Yeah. Just come get me when you drop my dad off, because you're going to go back home anyway. Well, then just take me from here. Oh. Mom, take me from here. Stop. I don't want to. Nah, I don't want to go home. Mom, look. Mom, you're gonna come by and drop my dad off and pick me up.